another question relating to periodic function. We know that sine is periodic with period 2 pi. It means after every 2 pi angle, the value of sine repeats. So here again, it is a positive angle. Theta is 405. So we have to write theta. We know it is sine of theta plus 2n pi equal to sine theta. So we have to write this angle in this form, theta plus 2n pi. Here 2 pi means 360 degree. So here 405 is very close to 360 degree. So we divide 405 by 360. 360 into 1 is 360. 5 and then 45. So 360 into 1 plus 45. We can write 405 as 360 into 1 plus 45. We will get the same thing again. So this can be written as sine of 360 plus 45. So taking this, here 2n pi, here 2n pi, or this is theta plus 360 into n equal to sine theta. In terms of degree, we can write it like this, 360 degree. So here theta is equal to 45 degree. So sine of 45 degree is 1 by root 2. So this is the answer. So earlier in the earlier problem we had the theta in radian. Now we have in degree. That is the difference. Now again, let us see another question. Sine of, okay, let us take another, minus 470. So sec of minus 470. First of all, we know sec is a even function, so the negative sign will not be there, because sec of minus theta is equal to sec theta. We have already learned this in the first part. So again, sec of, we know sec of theta plus 2n pi is again sec theta. Therefore sec of 1470 degree. Now if we divide it by 360 degree, if you divide 170 by 360, it will be into 4. 400, 6 4s are 24, 2 4 3 are 12, 13 14. So our remainder is 30. So we can write this as sec of 360 into 4 plus 30 degree. This is in degree. So using the same rule, sec of 30, this is, so sec 30 is cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So sec 30 is 2 by root 3. So this is the value of sec of minus. Therefore sec of minus 1470 is equal to 2 by root 3. So this is how we do it. Let us take another question. Cot of 585 degree. Now we know that for cot and tan, the value repeats after n pi. That means after 180 degree, the value of cot keeps repeating. So what we do in this case is we divide by 180, because it keeps on repeating after 180 degree. So 585. So it is, we know 18 into 3 will go on. 18 3 is a, we have 54. So 3 0 is 0, 8 3 is a 24, 3 1 is 3 4 5. So we have remainder 4. So we can write cot of 585 as cot of 3 into 180 plus 45 degree. So here comparing this, here n is 3 pi. We divided by, in case of cot and tan, we know that it repeats after pi interval, so we divide by 180. So cot of 45 degree. So cot 45 is 1. So this is the value of cot of 585. So in this way, using the formula we have learned, all this formula we have to do solve the problems.